Cayenne pepper, also known as red pepper, is a popular spice that is used in many cuisines around the world. But did you know that this fiery spice also has incredible health benefits? One of the most well-known benefits of cayenne pepper is its ability to boost metabolism. This is due to the compound capsaicin, which gives cayenne pepper its heat. Capsaicin has been shown to increase the body's temperature, which in turn can help to burn more calories. This can be especially beneficial for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. In addition to boosting metabolism, cayenne pepper also has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response by the body to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to a number of health problems. Studies have shown that capsaicin can help to reduce inflammation in the body, which may help to lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. Cayenne pepper is also a great source of vitamins and minerals. It is high in vitamin A, which is important for healthy vision, immune function, and skin health. It also contains vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help to protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. In addition, cayenne pepper is a good source of vitamin B6, which is important for brain health and metabolism. But perhaps one of the most surprising health benefits of cayenne pepper is its ability to relieve pain. Capsaicin has been shown to have analgesic properties, meaning it can help to reduce pain. This is why capsaicin is often used in topical pain relief creams and patches. Some studies have even suggested that cayenne pepper may be effective in reducing pain associated with conditions such as arthritis and neuropathy. Cayenne pepper may also have benefits for heart health. Some research has suggested that capsaicin can help to lower blood pressure and improve circulation. This is important for reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. In addition, cayenne pepper may help to lower cholesterol levels, which can also benefit heart health. Another surprising benefit of cayenne pepper is its ability to improve digestion. Capsaicin has been shown to stimulate the production of stomach acid, which can help to improve digestion and reduce symptoms of indigestion. In addition, cayenne pepper may help to reduce the risk of stomach ulcers by increasing the production of protective mucus in the stomach lining. Cayenne pepper may also have benefits for respiratory health. Some research has suggested that capsaicin can help to reduce symptoms of asthma and other respiratory conditions by opening up the airways and reducing inflammation. In addition, cayenne pepper may help to reduce symptoms of congestion and improve breathing. But perhaps one of the most surprising benefits of cayenne pepper is its ability to boost mood. Some studies have suggested that capsaicin may help to increase the production of endorphins, which are chemicals in the brain that can help to improve mood and reduce feelings of pain. This is why some people report feeling a sense of euphoria after eating spicy foods like cayenne pepper. In conclusion, cayenne pepper is not just a fiery spice that adds flavor to your favorite dishes. It also has a wide range of health benefits, from boosting metabolism and reducing inflammation to relieving pain and improving heart health. So the next time you reach for the cayenne pepper in your spice rack, remember that you are not just adding flavor to your meal, you are also adding a powerful ingredient that can benefit your health in more ways than you may have realized.